Hello guys and welcome back to Newbie Gamer 743. So basically I have no clue what I'm doing, but this girl is just breaking into my house and what should I do? Should I let her stay? Should I let her go? Oh, and there's another person. What the heck? How are people? Wait, my things. Watching people fall through the floor. Bye. Wait, I feel bad. Okay, wait, come back in. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget. Okay, I'll stop. Let's go see them outside. Oh, no, they're back in my house. What the heck? Girl. Hello. I got a parrot named Mikey. Oh, look, this is a hack. If you guys had like a shop house or like a pizza place, I think you could do it with, or like a pirate house, and you chose to change the sign, you can. And I had it with Scoop because like I want to know if it would work, so it did work. So now if I don't change it, it will stay like that. Because why is everyone going in my house? Are you guys fans? I know you're not, because like, yeah, but are you a fan? No? And don't forget, if I see you guys in my game that has like Newbie Squad on the top of your name, I will give you a free pet. I need to work up this cracked egg. Or I'll buy like you guys like eggs and stuff and I'll give them to you. So yeah. Let's edit my house. So we're going to do modern. And let's go in this room. This is going to be the pet room. So, sorry guys, it ended there. But it's because Lollipop Safari's called me, so I have to call her back in a little. But let's keep going. Oh no, the people left. Because it said I left the server. No! Let's just, instead of editing, I'm going to, wait, how about I let all the people, okay, wait. So, add builder. I'm just going to add everyone. Add. Okay, so let's just put their budget at, wait, set budget, $1. Okay, let's do it as, even though I don't have that much money. Okay, so you have 930, okay, wait, I'm gonna put it in a party. I added people to build in my house for free. Come and ruin it. There we go. Hopefully people come. Okay. So, what if I changed it? No, I changed. No, I didn't mean to do that. I thought it would be like, are you sure you want to? No. Okay, fine. I'll make it. Ooh, this girl came. Okay, wait. Can she build here? Okay, add builder. What's her username? 3. Okay. Where is she? Is she here or did I let her build already? Where's all the builders? Oh, Perry the Panda. I know him. Okay. So, we are adding builders. We're just adding everyone. Okay. Add everyone, add everyone, add. Build, no, come here. Come here. Come here. Hello. Oh, you have an Aussie egg? Wait, come here. Okay, wait, so your username is Once Upon a Time. Okay, people are coming. We'll just add everyone in the server. Just adding every single person in the server. It's gonna take a while. Why? Everyone start building. Start building. Everyone start building. No one's building. Hello. Liz. Caramel. Wait, okay. Is there a caramel? Oh, okay, right here. Okay, so we're adding everyone. Okay, please build. Please build. Wait, it's not deleting. No. No. Okay, wait. Edit house. Let's bring this over here. Start building.
Oh, that hurts.
Okay. So, people, please start building. Wait, no, don't leave. I got you, huh? Start building. Do you see this? Oh my gosh, what happened? Girl, are you okay? Why are you on the floor? Okay. Well, this was a total fail. Well, you want a unicorn? No? Okay, guys. Well, this was a total fail. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.